Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I will walk you through on how to log into Relex. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in to your Relex account. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. You can choose any web browser you'd like. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap in there, and at the very top you can see your search bar. Let's type in Relex Work Login since we're going to log in and hit enter. Now here you may come across various options, various sites even with the same name, but you have to make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And you might want to zoom in a little bit, and that's it. This is your login page. All you gotta do is type in your username at the very first field, and at the second field just type in our password, and that's it. Now to log in, you know what to do. All you have to do is hit in that blue button that says log in, and you'll be logged into your Relex account. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. If you want more videos like this, please hit that bell button. You will be informed, notified with our videos. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.